In a world where likes, shares, or tweets can feel like a warm embrace, could our digital habits be silently shaping our mental health? Hello there, my fellow healthcare warriors. I'm Martin, your Danish male nurse. Today we are venturing into the world of social media, not just users but as explorers, understanding how echo chambers can subtly influence our mental health. So let's get started and dive right in. Picture this: a fellow nurse enjoys scrolling through social media. Slowly, she starts to notice a pattern. Her feed becomes a mirror of her own beliefs, with little room for different perspectives. Comforting? Maybe. Limiting? Yeah, definitely. This is the echo chamber effect, where like-minded opinions bounce back and forth, creating a false sense of consensus. It's comfortable, yes, but it's also a bubble that can distort reality and impact our mental well-being. Let's delve a bit deeper into this. Studies have indeed shown that these digital echo chambers can have a profound effect on our mental well-being. It's like walking through a forest but only seeing one type of trees. Over time, our perspective becomes limited, and this can take a toll on how we feel and how we interact with the world. When we are constantly exposed to the same ideas and viewpoints, it creates a feedback loop. Our beliefs get reinforced, but our worldview narrows. This can lead to a sense of disconnection from the broader, diverse reality of life. In the long term, such isolation, even if it's just ideological, can lead to the feeling of loneliness and anxiety. And I want you to consider this. Prolonged exposure to these echo chambers has been linked to increased symptoms of anxiety and depression. The paradox is striking. In a world where we are more connected than ever digitally, we can end up feeling more isolated than ever. Our devices bring the world to our fingertips, but they can also create invisible walls around us. Real stories from people like nurses and other high-stress jobs tells us a lot. Many expresses feelings of being overwhelmed by the constant barrage of similarly often negative information. It's a mental echo chamber that doesn't just echo, it amplifies. But it's not all bad. Here is the good news. Just as we can be influenced by these digital environments, we can also choose to step out of them. By consciously diversifying our online interactions and balancing them with real-world connections, we can mitigate these effects. It's all about creating a healthy digital ecosystem for our minds. So while we navigate the vast seas of social media, let's remember to anchor ourselves in the diverse and rich world around us. It's in this balance that we find our true connectedness, not just with others, but with ourselves too. So what can we do? Awareness is the first step. Recognizing the echo chambers for what they are. Then consciously diversify your feed. Follow people and sources with different viewpoints. Challenge your beliefs and engage in constructive conversations. Think of it as a mental diet. Variety is key to health. And let's not forget, there's a vibrant world outside the screen. Real-life interactions, community involvement, and nature can help balance the digital overload and nurture our mental health. Remember, friends, social media is just one part of our vast and beautiful world. Use it wisely and it can open doors to new ideas and connections. If you're keen to keep learning and growing, then check out this video specially picked for you, so click it right now.